Good morning, class 6 students. Hope you are well at your homes. So, class 6, today we are going to start our next topic, that is email and its features. And today date is 15 June 2020. So, let's begin. Email stands for electronic mail. What is the full form of email? Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on the internet to send and receive messages anywhere around the world in real time. So with the help of email, we can send and receive any type of data and information at anywhere around the world, and it works like conventional correspondence, but it is instant. Instant means it is a fast facility and convenient also, and it is the best way to send information to any person, whether he or she is sitting on at any place. So the best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to a number of persons at a time. At a single time we can send mail or any information to a number of persons. So we can send photos, videos or important data. So these extra files are called attachments. So जो भी चीज़ हम send करते हैं with email, so that data or information is called attachment. So if we want to send any information to any person, there is need of email account. So what is email account? In order to use the email facility on the internet, first we have to create our personal email account. So we have to select a username, that is your email address, and provide a secret code, that is password, along with our particular like name, address, date of birth. So हमें क्या select करना पड़ेगा? We have to choose email address, that is your username, and we have to provide password, that is your secret code. So there are many websites on the internet which provide us the facility of a free email account. Some of the websites are www.gmail.com, yahoo.co.in, rediffmail.com. So with the help of these websites, we can create our email account. So what is an email address? As I have told to you, if we have to create an email account, then there is need of username and password. So what is an email address? That is your username. An email address consists of a username and a domain name. ईमेल एड्रेस कंसिस्ट ऑफ क्या इंक्लूड करता है? यूजर नेम एंड अ डोमेन नेम. सो व्हाट इज अ यूजर नेम? अ यूजर नेम इज द नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन्स अकाउंट बाय विच द सर्वर आइडेंटिफाई हिम ऑन द वेबसाइट. यूजर नेम क्या होगा? नेम ऑफ द पर्सन्स. सो व्हाट इज डोमेन नेम? डोमेन नेम इज अ यूनिक नेम. यूनिक मीन्स जो बिल्कुल अलग है, डिफरेंट नेम. सेम मतलब जो चीज़ सेम नहीं हो सकती, यूनिक है, that identify your website on the web. Domain name is the unique name. So whenever we create an email account, we get an email address on which people send their mails. So every email account is associated with a unique email address, which means that no two individuals in the world can have the same email address. So कोई भी जो two persons हैं, two individuals हैं, उनका जो email address है वो same नहीं हो सकता. That cannot be same. We have to choose different, that is unique email address. So here this is email address of Kips Publishing World. So here Kips Publishing World is a username. This one is your @sign, and this one is the domain name. Domain name means website name, that is gmail.com. So Gmail is one of the website. So this one full is called email address, as email address consists of username and domain name. So this one is username and this one is domain name. So how we can create an email account? These steps we have to follow if we want to create an email account. Connect to the internet. Firstly there is need of internet. Then open the website www.gmail.com. Then click on the create account link and proceed to the next page. जब आप ओपन करोगे www.gmail.com, then you have to choose create account, because we want to create an email account, new email account. So a registration form will open. This one form will open. Fill the registration form, choose a username and password. So from here we have to choose username and we have to choose password. So this one full email address form email account form we have to fill. So accept the agreement, an email account gets created if all the entries have been filled properly. So email account है जो हमारा वो create हो जाएगा if we have done or filled all information properly. So next we have inbox. So what is an inbox? It display information about all the received mails. So जो भी हमारी मेल्स हमें कोई पर्सन सेंड कर रहा है that will goes into the inbox. So from inbox we can is received, and sometimes the size of the message too. To read any mail, click on it. So from here you can see this one is inbox option. You have to click on here. So all emails you will get that are sent by the another person. So you can choose anyone. You have to simply click to open any email. Next we have option that is compose and write mail. Means if we want to write or compose mail and we want to send it to the another person, so we have to choose the compose option. To compose a mail, one has to click on the compose option. It will open a new window with the following components. So this one options we have to fill. At 2 option here we can type the email address of the person to whom we want to send the mail. हम email address टाइप करेंगे पर्सन का जिसको हम सेंड करना चाहते हैं email, to whom we want to send the email. Next we have CC. Here CC stands for carbon copy. CC stands for carbon copy. This is important full form of this chapter. So in this field one can specify the addresses of the persons to whom one wants to send a copy of the mail. The email address mentioned in this field are visible to all the recipients of the mail. तो जो CC ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, दिस वन ऑप्शन CC ऑप्शन. अगर CC ऑप्शन में अगर हम कोई भी एड्रेस टाइप कर रहे हैं तो वो अगर जैसे हमने मल्टीपल पर्सन्स को सेंड करनी है तो सभी का हम एड्रेस टाइप करेंगे ईमेल एड्रेस, तो सभी पर्सन्स को ही पता चल जाएगा कि ये मेल किस किस पर्सन को गई है, सभी को सभी का ईमेल एड्रेस शो होगा. सो दिस वन इज कॉल्ड कार्बन कॉपी. सो नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव दैट इज BCC. It is also used to send a copy of the mail to several people, but the email addresses mentioned in this field are not visible to the recipients of the mail. इसमें जो भी हम मेंशन करेंगे ईमेल एड्रेस वो सभी रेसिपिएंट्स को शो नहीं होगी. सो BCC stands for blind carbon copy. These two full forms are very important. CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Blind means किसी पर्सन को कोई भी ईमेल एड्रेस शो नहीं होगा. Next we have subject. In this field we will type our information that we want to send. We can type our message. So what is a message? You can type the message just like a normal letter with greetings, one or more paragraphs and your name bottom. So in the message box we can type any information, and in subject we will give brief description about the mail or message that we want to send. At last we have sending email. So after composing an email, click on the send button. At last we can see the at bottom we can see this one is your send button. After typing each and everything, we have to click on the send button to send the email. The mail will be sent to its recipients or recipient. तो हमारी जो मेल है वो क्या हो जाएगी, सेंड हो जाएगी टू द रेसिपिएंट्स. So in this video we have discussed about email and its features. So rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video. So take care students, have a good day.